Alright, so here's a quick review on the Dupli-Color vinyl and fabric spray paint. Basically, this stuff is super cool, and by the way, just want to get this out of the way, no, I am not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. This is actually my second can here. I'm still on my first, and I'm repainting the carpets here in my 300Z, basically doing a restoration on it. And the carpets, they're nasty. They're clean now, but they still have some rust stains over here, and they're all faded. They look horrible. So I found this stuff. It's on Amazon. I think it's $10 or $11 per can. And here I have the charcoal gray color, super nice color. And here I'll just show you guys how it turned out over here. I have the seat out right now, but that's how it turned out. This stuff is super nice. Just to let you know, it does kind of add like a rough texture to the carpet. Keep that in mind. It's not nearly as soft as over here, but that's a trade-off I'm willing to take. You can see there, it looks absolutely great compared to over here. Looks horrible over here, looks great over here. I did purchase some floor mats for the front here because people say that after about a year or two it starts wearing down and kind of showing you know, wear, because it is of course spray paint. So I purchased some floor mats so then I have no wear going on. There it is. I'll kind of show you like a clear 50-50 here. This was underneath the center console, so it's not faded or anything like up here, but you can see there is a slight color difference here between the basically new condition carpet right here and the spray painted carpet right here. So let's go ahead and start spraying. I did a little bit right up here already, as you can see right there. It's super simple. Basically what you do, shake up the can for I believe 2 minutes, you spray it on, and then you get a bristle brush like this. This one's plastic, and then you kind of move the fibers around, spray it once more, and then I believe really you're done. At least that's what I've been doing. That's pretty close to the instructions. I'll show you guys back here. They're right there if you want to go ahead and pause the video. There you go. You can change the angle right there on the nozzle, which is pretty cool. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and start spraying. All right, so here I have the camera kind of set up here, and I'm going to be spraying right about here. This can is almost out, but it'll be good enough for now. Shake it up just a little bit. Get your brush out. Let's go and spray. Just like that. And then get your brush here. Go in the opposite direction, and I found even if you don't do this brush, it still turns out really good and pretty even. So, and I'm still going to do it. It's what the instructions say to do. And then just like that, it's pretty much done. We'll go in and let it dry, and I'll do the rest right over here. All right, so here it is. I used a little bit of the new can, not a whole lot. There's still a good bit left. I should be able to do that side with this can, hopefully. Hopefully I won't have to order another can of this stuff, but hey, there it is, and it looks freaking good. This stuff, as long as it holds up long term, it's fantastic. So far, it's absolutely great. And there it is. That's what it looks like. Way better. I'll go ahead and put up a before and after right now. You can see in the before it just looked nasty. There's stains everywhere from the rust, and then the after looks super good. I just took that picture like a minute ago. Anyways, there it is. So far, very pleased. I'm gonna go in and take out the driver's seat, spray that side, and then put in the passenger seat and the console and everything. All right, here's the driver's side done. It wasn't as stained up as the passenger side, but it was probably a little bit more dull, like worn down, because, you know, it's obviously used more often. And there you go. This entire carpet here is painted. Back here, I would do this, but it needs to get replaced anyways because it's all shrunken up from heat and stuff. So that's just going to get replaced someday. So I'm not going to waste the paint on it. But there you go. It turned out absolutely great. What I'm gonna do now is take off the masking tape on that side, put in the seat, and put the console back, and then I'll do the driver's seat here in a little bit. All right, so here's the finished product, and it came out super good. I'm really happy with this stuff. It's only about $10 per can, and it works super good. It turned out fantastic in my case, even with my really bad carpets. Next up here is to go ahead and put in my new floor mats. These were $15, I believe, Auto Drive brand from Walmart, and they seem pretty good. They're the same ones that I have in my Jeep right there, and those have been in there for about 10,000 miles, and they've held up very good. So I'm going to put the same ones here in the Z to go ahead and preserve this floor, because I don't want it getting worn out over time and then start, you know, showing wear. So there it is. So far, I'm really, again, happy with this stuff, and for the price of it, I do definitely recommend it if you have, you know, really bad carpets. I believe this stuff also works on vinyl and plastic and stuff. Again, it seems excellent so far. So there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.